Namaste, friends. Forget and forgive. This terminology, it is totally familiar to all of us. But do we practice? Many a time, the answer is no. The reason is the burden of the past. It is unnecessarily kept in our mind to such an extent that we find it pretty tough to get rid of it. And this burden will bring a person down, find it difficult to accept anything new, and the sense of revenge, sense of retaliation, those things will be always troubling the mind. With the result, the life will never get ahead. All our religious texts, they give lot of importance to these two words, forget and forgive. Can we always keep all the wrong things done by somebody else to us, which is creating a nuisance to you? Can we always recollect those things and get ahead with our life? Compare this with driving a vehicle looking at the rear view mirror. You have to occasionally, but not always. You have to accept the present, forget the past, and have belief in what will be. This should be the driving force for a person to get ahead. Rather than keeping these uncomfortable, unpleasant feelings and memories in our minds, which will create a burden. And the beauty is the moment you try to unlock this, permit these kind of feelings to escape from your mind, you become a new person. There will be sufficient space in your mind to accept new things. This doesn't mean that a person can forget everything. No. You will remember, but that remembrance will be something like an impassionate one. Rather than keeping it in our mind, which is giving troubles to you, you have the maturity to move ahead by accepting it and forgiving the person who was instrumental in creating this. To forgive others, it is an art. And Paulo Coelho, he has mentioned, forgive fast because the life is too short. We cannot forever keep these things in our mind and always have the feeling of that revenge, retaliation, resentment in our mind. Instead of that, keep something like repentance, repair the relation. This will be bringing the real beauty for everybody. Even when a rose flower is crushed, the flower is crushed, but the fragrance will remain in your hands. That is forgiveness. A person who has done something wrong to us, yes, you feel uncomfortable, you feel angry, but the greatness, the magnanimity comes when we are still moving ahead, even while accepting, yes, it has disturbed me, but still I am moving ahead. I am not keeping it with me. This kind of maturity, once it comes, life becomes beautiful. But unfortunately, it is not that easy. Many people will not practice it. They try to retaliate, they try to take revenge, and ultimately it will be a nuisance for everybody. It is not going to take you ahead. We are always having the freedom to get ahead and move away from the path. Always, okay, it may not be that much easy to accept somebody who has done something wrong to us, or even pardon those people unconditionally. But the beauty part is, if we practice this, if we are able to get ahead like this, there will not be any burden in our mind. It will be clean. We can accept a lot of good things again. And Always we have the freedom to get away from such paths and move ahead. Please try to practice these kind of things and make our life a beautiful, a happy experience always. Okay, friends, thank you very much. God bless you.